Okay, we are now at the end of day 20, and as you can see, we've started priming and caulking all of the exterior soffits and fascias. The little other shed is now painted. Obviously that was done last week. We put some Rust-Oleum on the door where needed, and we caulked and cleaned and primed. And on the inside, we're getting ready for the painters and the cleaners, so we've spot primed where necessary. So wherever we did some repairs or something that may show through the paint, we primed. So we primed, we caulked. You can see we primed all over the place. For all the patches that we did. There's the main living area. As you can see, we did remove the microwave. We did order the slimline one. So we do have the cabinets left to do. That is a lot. But we basically, our major dirty crew is now out. And the cleaning crew, painting crew, as you can see there and there, we primed. And here in this room, which is either the dining room or office, we primed all the spots that we textured. And again, we do that because that way you will not, generally if you prime it, if you do the texture and you prime it, you will not see the difference in texture. It helps hide the difference. Some people say it's not necessary. I have found that if you don't prime it, not always, but a lot of the times it will show. So we prime. Takes a little extra step, but if you paint and it shows, that's a bigger problem. As you can see, our texture guy was pretty good because you can't tell the difference between the texture. Now, once this is painted, it'll look good. Anyways, this is day 20. We've also caulked, we haven't caulked all the baseboards, but a lot of them, especially where there was issues. Sometimes you get a bad cut, you need to do a little bit more caulking. Anyways, this is the end of day 20, and cleaning crew comes in next. Once they're in here and they get this house cleaned, we have a few other things to do in the kitchen cabinets, and then it's painters. That's it for today. Have a great day.